Welcome again. In the second part of synthetic repertory, in first part we saw up to the typography. It has 4 types of medicine, that is capital, underline, capital, bold and Roman. Now another important points of synthetic repertories are, in this repertory headings, subheadings, spacing, everything has its specification. Like main heading starts from without indentation, and main heading, or we can see that keyword of symptom, it is given in bold capital type. Here I will show you bold capital type. You can see corrupt, another rubric, counting. These are the main headings. Then you can see country, courageous. So these are the main headings which are given in bold type capital. Then other subheadings are given in ordinary type. Main heading, it starts at the beginning of the line, and first indentation is used for subheading and second indentation is used for next subheading. So main heading, there is no indentation for main heading. Then first subheadings start from first indentation and second subheading start from second indentation. So it is very clear in synthetic repertory. Then abbreviation, for aggravation and amelioration have been used in all the languages. Then another point is, some medicine, some rubrics are given with the asterisk marks. Here you can see some rubrics are with asterisk marks. Here you can see asterisk mark is given, right? And these rubrics refer to one of that 138 new rubrics which were collected from different sources. Another important point is, remedy index is given in alphabetical order. Then after remedy abbreviation, its synonym is also has been given in synthetic repertory. Another important point, obsolete drugs like electricities, galvanism, magnes artificialis, complex snake drugs like ophiotoxicum were not retained in synthetic repertory. Wherever and whenever possible, wrong spellings, wrong drug abbreviations and wrong literature have been also corrected in this. Then main important feature of synthetic repertory, which is mainly asked in different examinations also, that for the closer understanding among homeopathic physicians in the world, they used 3 languages in synthetic repertory, 3 languages, and first time in synthetic repertory, internationalization of nomenclature of drug also has been given. This is very important point which is asked in different examinations. Then next important point, symptoms which were denoted by double asterisk marks, which were having lack of clarity, wrong nomenclature, were corrected wherever it was possible. So in nutshell, these were the salient features of synthetic repertory. If we summarize synthetic repertory, so first we can say that some important points we can see that it has in 3 volumes. First 2 volumes was written by Barthel and third volume was written by Clunker. First volume has 6 groups, second volume also has 6 groups, and third volume has 3 parts. Then it has 4 types of typography: capital underline, capital, bold and Roman or ordinary type. Then it was written in 3 languages. This whole repertory was written in 3 languages, and first time in this repertory nomenclature of the drug was used. Then symptoms, as we know that it is the enlarged version of Kant repertory, its base is Kant repertory, so it is based on deductive logic, general to particular. Another important feature is all the symptoms which were taken originally from the Kant repertory has not been numbered, and those symptoms which were corrected by Kant's own handwriting, it was mentioned by number 1. And then symptoms which were taken from old school or supplements by his lectures, it was denoted by 1 dash. Supplement from his lecture and new remedies were denoted by 1 dash, and figure 2 to 16 denotes the exact source of that particular drug. As we know that it is the first repertory in which exact source of the drug has been mentioned. There are almost 16 sources which has been numbered, and any drug, if it denotes the number, suppose belladonna, it has 4 marks above, it means that it has taken from the 4th number of source, and 4th number of source, as I told you in first lecture, what is the 4th number of source? That is jar. So like that it mentions the source of drugs also. So these are the important salient features. Total number of drug 1594 drugs are there. So these are the, in nutshell, the salient features of synthetic repertory. Thank you very much.